you can get some bargains there, like paper towels and all that kind of stuff. And so I bought a bunch of food. I made that spaghetti and meatballs the other day, so I froze, I put in freezer bags, 2 meatballs in each bag, so and some sauce. I got enough, I could eat that for 3 or 4 days. And BJ's gas, man, is cheap. That's the place to get gas. I paid for 93 octane, right? Yesterday, 301.
I paid in Upper Darby the other day. I went to Wawa for lunch and got fuel. It was 303, I think, for regular.
Yeah, 303. But I paid 301 for 93. It was 270 for regular. Is there a BJ's near you? I don't think so.
Not. No, I know where there is one. It used to be. It's that place that it's over by Morton, over that area. It used to be like an old aircraft, like a airplane place. It's got the things on the corner of the building, like the watchtowers. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh yeah, it used to be the old Boeing helicopter plant. Okay, yeah, I remember that. BJ's was always there. I thought there might have been a new one near where you live or something. Because over here, it's probably true over there too. You don't have to be a member of BJ's to get the gas. But the gas pumps are like in the park. I mean, you're not going to see them from the road. But so what I'm doing now is I'll time the gas, for when I go to BJ's. It's up at Deptford. And but there's certain things that BJ's has that are so much cheaper than the supermarket. It's worth the trip all the way to Deptford just to buy like milk and stuff like that. So while I'm there, I fill the tank up,
Right. Okay. No, I didn't know that. I didn't know if you were a member, you could, or if you weren't a member, you could still get the gas. I didn't know that. I thought you had to be a member.
Well, no, at least not here. So I wouldn't say it's any place that you had to be a member there. So. But, see, Wawa, their premium in there is 92. And that's pretty weird. I mean, I got